What's up YouTube, it's Puppet Master 10,000 here. I just want to do a video on how to record and make ringtones for your iPhone 3GS. Alright, I just want to show you. You do not have to have a jailbroken iPhone, by the way. It can be just standard. I want to show you that I am running firmware 3.1.2. There you see under version 3.1.2. Okay, it's fairly simple on how to do this. You just open up iTunes, you pick any song that you want that you have downloaded from like LimeWire or a BitTorrent. You pick one. I like Kill Switch Engage, so I'm going to click A Bid Farewell. You go to right click it, get info, go to options. I'm going to start at 0 because I just want the first 30 seconds of the song. The song has to be 30 seconds. That's it. No longer. Make sure your start and your stop time are checked. Then you click OK. Come back to the song that you selected. Right click it and create ACC version. This might take a minute because my computer is running slow today, really slow. I don't know why. There it is. It's popping up. It says incomplete, but wait for it. While that's doing that, I'll just show you that I am running iTunes 9. So the version of iTunes doesn't matter. Alright, you hear the little chime and you know that it's finished. Okay, what I want you to do now is take the 30-second song and drag it to your desktop and drop it there. And come back to your 30-second song in iTunes, right click it and delete it. Move it to the recycle bin. And then come back to the song, the same song, A Bid Farewell for me, just so it plays in full next time. Go back to get info and options, uncheck them. Okay. Alright. Now what you want to do is right click, see it says A Bid Farewell, and it's named M4A. Right click the song, rename to M4R. You'll have this that comes up. You always click yes, and boom, look at that ringtone. Go back into iTunes, drag and drop that file into your ringtones. Then we'll go over here to ringtones, and there it is up top. Take it, drag it over here to where it says iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is hooked up via the USB cable to your computer. Drop it in there and your phone should sync. Alright, sync in progress. Give your phone a minute to sync with it. For some reason, everything that I have today is running slow. There we go. As you can see up top, updating files, A Bid Farewell. It should be done here in a minute. I hope you like my little Stewie battery. I'm a big Family Guy fan. And if anybody wants to know how I got this, just comment down below and let me know, and I'll make a video on showing you on how to get lock screens and sliders. Hopefully this won't take very much longer. I told you everything I have this morning is just running slow. So bear with me. eventually this is going to stop syncing. Another way that you can put ringtones straight to your phone is by SSHing, and I'll make a video on how to do that. Just go into your WinSCP, First of all, let's see if it worked this way. Since it's finally done syncing, go to settings, sounds, ringtone, a bid farewell, as you can see right there. Let's click it and see if it works. And now, there you go. That's what it sounds like. And that's all there is to it, guys. I'll show you how to SSH one into there later. But that's all I've got for you right now. That's how you make a ringtone using iTunes. This is Puppet Master 10,000. And just remember, guys, as always, rate, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Have a good one, guys.